Hello friends and welcome to my channel. Today we are going for a journey. Let's imagine you are taking a flight for the first time and you have got the ticket in the window seat and you have got inside the aeroplane, which is a spacious interior, and you have got sat on the window seat. Now the flight is taking off and it is flying up from the ground, and it's your first time and you are enjoying the flight. Now you are looking from the window, such a beautiful view. Suddenly you have noticed that there is a small hole in the window and you have got scared and you have asked the air hostess what is the use of this air hole and why the air hole in it. So she is so told that it is for your protection, and why on earth a hole protects me from harm. And today in this video I am going to talk about the use of this bleed hole in the aeroplane window. We know that there is a pressure difference, huge pressure difference when we go for an altitude. So the pressure at the sea level will be high compared to the pressure at the Mount Everest. So as the pressure reduces, the air will get thinner and thinner. So the air outside the aeroplane will be very much thinner and at a very low pressure. So for maintaining our comfort level, we have to maintain the pressure inside the aeroplane at an atmospheric level. So I already told that the pressure outside the aeroplane is very low, so there will be a relative pressure difference between the inside and outside of the aeroplane. So because of this relative pressure difference, there will be a force, the pressure force, that will be acting or trying to escape from the aeroplane. So the force will be acting throughout the outer periphery, the inner periphery of the aeroplane. So there will be a huge chance for the windows of aeroplane to break down due to this higher force. So we have to find an alternative solution for protecting the windows from this huge relative pressure difference. So for that's why the aeroplane windows are made of 3 layers. There is 3 layers in the aeroplane windows, which is the inner layer, second one is the middle layer, and third one is the outer layer. And there will be a hole in the middle layer, and there will be an air gap between the middle layer and the outside layer. The outside layer of glass will be exposed to the lower pressure region of the aeroplane, and the inside pane is also known as a scratch plane, where we can touch, or even we have hammed the glass, it will not affect the middle layer or outside layer. So I have already told that always the air will flow in a direction from the higher pressure region to the lower pressure region. I told that the lower pressure region is in the outside, so the air will always flow to the direction of lower pressure region. So there is because of this bleed hole, there will be an equilibrium that is acts on the air gap between the outer layer and the middle layer. So the air will always strike or force in the outer layer only. So the middle layer and the inner layer will be protected from these lower pressure regions, because all the forces will be acting only in the outer layer because of this bleed hole. So we will be always protected from this lower pressure region. Even if the outer layer got broken up, the middle layer will protect us from this lower region. That's why the prime advantage or prime use of bleed hole in the aeroplane windows. The additional use of this bleed hole is to protect from the frozen up or fog that is formed in the aeroplane windows. And this advantage also protects or give us a better view always through the windows. Hope you have enjoyed the video and learned about the use of bleed hole in the aeroplane window. So don't forget to give a thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel for updated videos. See you in the next video. Thank you and goodbye.